Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley here. Welcome to my craft room. I have a special guest with me. Who are you?
I'm Mr. Glitter.
This is my husband, James Wiley, and he's going to take a challenge this weekend. Are you up for this challenge?
I'm going to rock the challenge. I've helped you before. I can do it again.
So he's coming into the craft room and he is crafting live with me sitting over there somewhere. But I'm going to give you a card.
Okay.
And you're going to have to recreate it.
Nice. Do I have to figure out all the stuff to use? Or are you going to have it up?
I'm going to set out all the things that you need to use.
Okay, piece of cake.
And then you're going to figure out how to make this card from start to finish. We'll set out the colors of cardstock that you need, the stamps and dies. And then you're on your own as far as finding tools in the craft room, stamping, die cutting, all of that, you're on your own. We're maybe going to give you 3 times to ask for hints or helps. And then maybe we'll even allow the people in the live comments to kind of help you out as well. Does that sound fair?
Yeah. Quick question though. Do I get to use the sticky gun?
I have since transitioned from a sticky gun to a smaller version.
What?
I know.
I love the sticky gun. My favorite.
You do love the sticky gun. So join us live Saturday, September 14th at 12 Pacific time. The husband is going to take the card challenge, and we can't wait to see you there. So join us then, and until next time, what do we say? I hope you have
a great day.
No, that's not it. I hope you have a fabulous day. You don't even know.
I don't know.
All right. See you Saturday.